Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering the Victrola and placing it on a firm, level surface. This prevents speed wobble and skips. Once powered, remove any shipping lock and set the platter in place, fitting the belt if needed. Make sure you have the record and any required adapter. This saves interruptions. Next, select the correct speed, 33 or 45, because proper RPM ensures pitch accuracy. Finally, lift the tone arm latch gently so the arm can move freely when you play. Now focus on the cueing process. Place the record on the platter and choose the correct speed based on the label, since wrong speed alters pitch. Once set, unlock and use the cue lever or manual lift to position the stylus at the record edge. This prevents abrupt drops and stylus damage. After lowering, engage playback and set the volume on your Victrola or connected amplifier so you can hear details without distortion. If using external speakers, confirm phono versus line output selection to match your input. To finish, lift the tone arm using the cue lever or manual lift and return it to its rest. Always remove the record only after the stylus is clear to avoid grooves and scratches. Once done, power off the unit and store your records upright in a cool, dry place. If you encounter speed fluctuations, background noise, or no sound, check the belt tension first. Then inspect the stylus for wear and verify your cable connections. These quick checks resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.